We're here at the launching of SIG, which is a Swiss brand for aluminum water bottles. And this is coinciding with the opening of Pulse Yoga here in Green Hills. These are the lines of SIG bottles available in the Philippines, and particularly this one. These are the limited editions for the Japanese design. I have with me now Marjorie David, who represents SIG in the Philippines. Hi, Marjorie. Hi.
Hi, Ms. Jane.
Can you tell us a little bit about how you brought SIG to the Philippines and why?
I actually first saw SIG in Oprah.
Oh, really?
Yes. It was on her environmental episode, and she featured a few products,
Okay.
and one of the products that she featured was SIG.
Really?
Yes.
And that got you thinking about bringing it in?
Yes.
Okay, what did you do next?
I emailed SIG in Switzerland, and then we started communicating. And I visited their factory to see how they produce the bottles, and it's as good as what they say.
Okay, tell me a little about the SIG bottle. What is so different about a SIG bottle from the bottles that we see here now in the Philippines?
Well, it's number one, it's made of aluminum, and inside there's an organic internal coating that is unbreakable. It's unbreakable because it's flexible. So let's say you drop the bottle and it gets dented. The inside, the internal coating will follow the shape of your bottle. Like there's no danger of it like peeling or chipping off or anything like that.
And that's supposed to be better and healthier.
It's healthier because
Safer.
It's safer also because your drink will never touch any metal particles. It also compared to like plastic bottles, there's no danger of leaching. So you can put acidic drinks, isotonic drinks. Apple juice especially is very acidic. So if you put apple juice inside a plastic bottle, there's always some kind of chemical that mixes with your drink, and that's very unhealthy.
Okay.
Yes.
Does a SIG bottle, can you put hot and cold drinks into it, or is this just purely cold drinks?
Yes, you can put hot and cold drinks inside the bottle, but it does get warm because it's made of aluminum. So there are insulating pouches that you can purchase that will keep your drink hot for 2 to 3 hours and cold for 6 to 8 hours.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so where are you? Where can we get SIG bottles aside from, of course, here in Pulse Yoga? Where are you?
Yes. Apart from Pulse Yoga, we're also selling the bottles in Aura Athletica at Rockwell and Rustan's Discovery Shop.
All right. Okay. Do you have any last thing to say?
So you should definitely purchase a SIG bottle to keep your drink safe and to help save the environment.
Okay, that's great. Coming from an environmentalist, nice meeting you, Marge.
Nice meeting you.
Bye. Okay, so for those of you who are interested, you can come to Pulse Yoga for your SIG bottles, or as she said, they're available at Aura Athletica and Rustan's. Okay, see ya.